Hey everyone, it's great to see you again. I'm back with another painting today. This time I'm sketching a lovely church scene. I'm starting with my zero point 0.7 fine liner because I want some of my lines to look a bit thicker and more expressive. I just dive right in and keep things simple. I'm not trying to make it look exactly like the reference. I slowly add the details with the pen and use darker, thicker lines to show depth and shadows. Most of this piece is done with the pen, so I think the watercolor part should be quick and light. When I already have a lot of details in an ink, I prefer not to spend too much time layering watercolor. It can easily look overworked or even muddy. But when I draw with thinner lines or use pencil, I like to go heavier with the watercolor layers. It helps balance everything and gives the painting more life. Sometimes I even use complementary colors in the shadows. It makes the result look more natural and realistic. Of course, this is just my personal approach. Everyone has their own taste and rhythm. It all depends on how you feel. All right, now my pen sketch is done. Looking at it, I realize the building ended up at a bit of an angle. It's not perfectly straight or front facing, but honestly, I don't mind that at all. This is a loose sketch and it's supposed to feel free. You've got to be brave with your lines and not worry too much about perfection. Now, let's move on to watercolor. I start with my usual first layer, then after it dries, I add those beautiful watercolor blooms. In that first layer, I already decide where my light and dark areas are going to be. If a surface is in shadow, I just make the color a bit stronger there, but only a little bit darker, because I don't want to lose the transparency of the colors. I pay attention to that the whole time I'm painting. In this part, I'm using a really thin brush. These are perfect for super fine lines, like branches or little plants. I wanted to add some golden lines to make the foliage look denser, but as you can see, it didn't really work out. The lines disappeared because that's just how watercolor behaves. It's transparent. It's not ideal for highlights, so I went back to my trusty white gouache for those bright details. And that's it. The painting is done. I'm really happy you watched till the end. I hope you enjoyed today's sketch. If you like this one, I think you'll enjoy my other watercolor videos too. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really makes my day. Wishing you all the best. Stay creative and keep sketching.